Hi everybody, we will now learn how to install Basic for Android. You can open Google page, Google search, and search on download Basic for Android. Select one, start with www.b4x.com and follow the page instructions to download. The following screens will describe the details. On Google, you can write Basic for Android or download Basic for Android here and select this www.b4x.com. The screen of Anywhere Software Company, B4A down Android, click here and then download trial version. After installing, you can open Basic for Android and the screen look like this. Thanks. For any questions, you can contact me on Udemy Questions.